Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. All of you, each and every one of you, I hope this new year brings a lot of happiness, joy, prosperity in our life, and all our old problems just vanish. So today I'm going to share a new recipe, and I have done the video quite a while ago, but I was busy so I could not post it. So I'm just going to post it tonight, and this recipe came out really good. So this is for falafel, and I'm using here chickpeas. So I have 2 cups of chickpea, and these chickpeas you have to either soak it overnight or you have to boil it. So I have boiled this chickpea, and to this chickpea you need to add some spices. Then I have a cup of chickpea flour or gram flour. You can use regular flour too, and this is just this just a medium where we make it little bit tight or sticky so it can be formed as a ball. So I'm going to add the spices. I have added to this is salt, red pepper, 1 teaspoon, salt to taste, black pepper 1 teaspoon, and then I have garam masala, vegetable masala, a little bit cumin seed, like half a teaspoon, pinch of Asafoetida, and I have a little pinch of baking soda, little bit, and then I have lemon juice, and then with 2-3 different kinds of spices, whatever you have, garam masala, vegetable masala, or any other spicy masala that you have. The whole thing is we would like to make it spicy. And 1 juice of a lemon, and then I put 1 large onion chopped, 2 cloves of garlic grated, and half to 1 inch ginger grated, and I have a bunch of cilantro chopped. So I'm going to, and 2 green chili peppers seeded and chopped. So I'm going to add everything together, including the lemon juice, and transfer to a blender and blend it. After I blend it, we're going to make it to not a smooth paste and sticky. We won't make anything like that. We're just going to just blend it a little bit so it stays somehow forms a ball or the flour dough, and then keep it overnight in the refrigerator, and then next morning form little balls. And so this, and then put some red onion chopped and a little bit, add more, a little bit spices if needed, and then just quickly form balls. And these balls you can deep fry them. And there's your falafel, you can have the chutney with it. I'm going to insert the chutney making process, the recipe, and this chutney goes great with the falafel. So this falafel, main thing is very easy to make. You soak chickpea flour or you boil the chickpea flour and add all the spices and add onion and ginger, garlic, lemon juice, and then just keep it overnight in the fridge, and so it will be a little bit tough, and next morning quickly form balls and quickly deep fry them, and then you are going to enjoy it hot or cold because it's so yummy, and with the chutney. And you can make like this which will go great with this. So this is the falafel recipe and I really enjoy it. But I'm adding this to the oil, the falafel is making a lot of noise. And I wanted to turn down all the noises, but then a lot of the subscribers love the original noises, so I have to keep the original noise, but then I have to speak louder for my voice to be heard, because the noise of the cooking is kind of louder than my voice, and I usually speak in a low, soft voice, so sometimes it's hard for people to even hear what I'm saying. I try, but I couldn't speak very loud voice, so this is the best I could do. Anyway, so this falafel turned out really, really great, and it's very easy to make, and I hope you would give it a try. And you can eat it with any kind of sauce or chutney, and you can even make like patties, and instead of meat you can use these patties for the bread, because they come out really yummy tasty. And since this has chickpea and the Besan has chickpea flour, so you have all your protein in it without the meat. So yeah, make this just and you can just enjoy it. So thank you so much. I will be sharing the recipe for the cilantro chutney, which will go great with this, and then I'll come up with many other recipes, and I have a long list of requests which I have to go through. Many gemstone requests, so I will go one by one on those. And keep watching the journey, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I will see you with many more. Thank you, bye bye, good night, sweet dreams. Show you how to make this wonderful hara dhania chutney. This is going to be very tasty, creamy hara dhania chutney. So these are the cilantro leaves. You wash them very well, clean them, and you don't need to chop them, just wash them and clean them, and then you put them in the blender, and do not add any water to it. Just you wash it and rinse out all the water. No water needed, because if you put water then it will be really watery, and you do not want watery and creamy. And now to it you will be adding ingredients. So the first ingredient we'll add is 2 big tablespoons of plain soured yogurt, just plain. And the reason we add the yogurt to make it creamy and give it a little sour taste. And now 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of salt according to your taste. 2 cloves of garlic chopped. And 1/2 of jalapeno pepper. This one I'm adding 1/2 because this is very hot. And if you like really hot, you can add 1 full jalapeno pepper. So I'm adding only 1/2. Now this is, you can substitute with lemon juice. This I'm adding 1 full tablespoon of tamarind paste. And if you don't like tamarind, you can add lemon juice. After you add all of these ingredients, then you have to run it. Make sure you do not add any water to it. Just continue pushing it down with no water. Now thick, so do not add any water, just keep pushing it down and it will be soft. Now the last ingredient you need to add is 1 tablespoon of olive oil. The reason we add the oil so you can keep this chutney in your refrigerator for 1 month. So mix it well and then just give it a one more. So our chutney is ready. It's nice thick green chutney. So this is how you make cilantro chutney. This is very tasty, nice and thick chutney. Thank you so much. This is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you. Bye bye. Namaste. Namaskar. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.